Dr. Jane here. Did you know that in the 4th century BCE, the Greek physician Hippocrates authored the famous oath, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food"? But there's some confusion as to what is considered good nourishment and what's bad nourishment. If you look up the definition of nourishment in the dictionary, it says, the food or other substances necessary for growth, health, and good condition. Substances in food are necessary for life. The body is so amazing that it will adapt to whatever you feed it, but it will break one day when it can no longer handle the load due to deficiencies of nutrients and toxins in your diet. But if your goal is to have a long, healthy life with minimal symptoms, with a great quality of life, and you want to prevent disease, then be mindful of what you're feeding your body.